Good evening, guys, from Marrakesh here in Morocco, and it's about time for sunset. This is the rooftop of the hostel, one of the Riyadh style that goes all the way down. Got some books, some chill sofas. This is like pretty much smack bang in the Medina. The Medina is a very popular kind of tourist place here in Marrakesh, also known as the Red City, for reasons hopefully you can see now through the lens of the camera. Welcome to my home for the last 4 days, mate. This is a 2, 4, 6, 7 bed dorm, and unfortunately old Chrissy Boy has pulled the short straw, mate, because he is right up here. We've made it back out to the crazy square here of Jemaa el-Fnaa in Marrakech. Check it out, mate. 2 stools to the left, music players to the right. Mate, this place is massive.
5-star Michelin. Have a look. Barbecue, vegan. Look at lamb chop. It's fresh. Skewers different. Lamb, beef, chicken, kafta, fish.
I need to get the stomach up. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is Chris.
Chris, nice
But
to meet
since
you.
we're friends, you can call me Chrissy Boy. No. People just offer you a hash left, right and centre, mate. In the main square, in the Medina, outside my hostel. You're not gonna like this. Mate, they're just right here in the centre. It's one spot. Up here, we've got souks and restaurants. Same here. Down here, same. Down here, same. Over there, same, mate. It's like you've got so many options, and then all of these shops are very similar to each other. Actually, that's a lie. They're all the same, mate. They're selling the same bags, the same jewelry, the same clothes, and the same accessories, mate. Brother, let's eat. What's your name again?
Hussein, brother.
Hussein.
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 Yeah,
Hussein.
my friend. My friend from Wales.
Hello. For me? Legend. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Mate, before we tuck in into this grub, look how random and kind of upsetting this is.
Mimish.
Is it dying?
No. Mimish. Mimish.
Well, for the not so special Moroccan dish, mate, we have not that many fries, maybe a handful, and then we have what the Moroccans call a tacos. So we've gone for mixed meat tacos. It's all right, maybe a 5 out of 10. It is very fast turnover here because, well, a flock of tourists are in and out of these places just like all the time, and the main square is literally there. So people are walking past, they come in, little snack, little, emphasizing the little snack, and then on they go. Ah, thank you, brother. Very kind.
Welcome.
What tea is it?
Moroccan whiskey.
Moroccan whiskey, yes, mate. Let's break the sobriety then. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Appreciate it. Oh, mate. And that's better than all of the food.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Chris,
Quick, thank you.
I think I got the right change. Yeah, I did.
Hello, friend. Big welcome to Marrakesh. Big welcome to Canaria.
He's escaping. Get some sleep, brother.
Yeah, I go
Get
with
some
sleep now. Just one, it's good now. It's good, man.
He won't
Just
sleep.
okay.
He goes to bed at 3 or 4 a.m. Go to sleep, brother.
Yeah,
Go to
every
sleep.
day you don't sleep. Hey, welcome if you want to see.
Go on then.
Yeah. I am job here.
Yeah? You've got many jobs, you
Yeah.
have.
I am job here. Just looking, just one from Cambodia.
Cambodia? Cambodia?
From Charabigan. Just one from Garugan.
What's this? Huh?
Just one. It's good.
Look at this, mate.
Suck
There
and
is
suck.
no room to
Ah, small room, but too much money. Just the 200, 200, 200.
even. Wow,
So much
bro.
money.
Can I have one for free? I joke, mate. I'm joke.
Okay.
I joke. Thank you very much, brother. Mate, have a good one. Good business. And have a good 2026. Happy New Year.
Yeah. have a
Cheers,
good
brother. Have a good one.
night, Have a good night.
Ciao. We're just now down like the opposite street to Jemaa el-Fnaa, and this is where I come for food every day. But we decided to mix it up tonight and have it down there. Hi, brother. Can I go for the 5 dirham one, please?
Hi.
Thank you. Cheers, mate. Check that out. Mate, I haven't had ice cream in yonks. Nice. Oh, mate, that's quality too. Hello. How you doing? Good? No hash for me, brother. No coke either. Just ice cream. No hash, no coke, just ice cream. Thank you, bro. Have a good evening. And Happy New Year. For next year, of course. All right, mate. Take it easy. Cheers. Probably the friendliest drug dealer I've met, mate. Mate, and I think we're gonna call it a day there, mate. We're gonna call it. Cheers, brother. Take it easy. Oh, that's at the moment. That's at the moment. That's at the moment, brother. But thank you. Goodbye, Marrakesh.